So this pine floor in Billingham was meant to be a deep clean, but can you see where that mat was? All of that adhesive had caused the floor to be sticky and too sticky to deep clean and then give it a kind of polish. So we ended up agreeing with the client to do a full sand and refinish. So what that involved is taking the belt sander through all of the grits and getting rid of the old coating. Now, because it was pine and because it had been finished before with some kind of wax, then it took some doing, it took some getting off. There was a lot of kind of residue, and I went through plenty of belts to get to this stage that you're looking at now. So it was a kitchen and a living room in a really nice property, and like I say, it was meant to be just a tidy up, but it turned out to be quite a big job. So obviously the belt sander is nearly done now, and we're moving into the other room. There's a different angle where you can see the floor is getting nice and leveled using the belt sander, going through the grits. I think at this point we're on something like a 60. Into the lounge, still on the belt sander. There was a full day of sanding, absolutely a full day. By the time a lot of these belts were just getting changed constantly, but yeah, it is what it is. So yeah, this was causing me some problems. I hadn't countersunk the nails well enough, so I revisited the whole floor, and there must have been well over 1,000 nails. And I can't actually feel a tip of my fingers still. But anyway, here is the result. We've gone for a clear coat matte lacquer, and as you can see, now it's been sanded with the flexi sand. It is very, very smooth, and the grains pop in, and the floor looks gorgeous. Still actually one coat left to do when this video was taken, and it's got a built-in hardener for extra longevity.